Dear students, in the last section we have seen some problems on boats and streams. In this section we will see remaining problems on boats and streams. So the next problem is, there is a road beside a river. Two friends started from a place A, moved a temple situated at another place B, and then returned to A again. One of them moves on a cycle at a speed of 12 km per hour, while the other sails on a boat at a speed of 10 km per hour. If the river flows at the speed of 4 km per hour, which of the two friends will return to a place A first? Okay, so the two friends, one friend moves by cycle and another it sails a boat. So the cyclist moves both way at a speed of 12 kilometer per hour. So average speed of the cyclist is 12 kilometer. The boat sailor moves downstream at 10 plus 4 and upstream 10 minus 4, so it is 14 and 6 km per hour. Downstream is 14 and upstream is 6. So average speed of the boat sailor, as we have seen in the time and distance, that the average speed is equal to 2xy upon x plus y. So the average speed of the boat sailor is 2 into 14 into 6 divided by 14 plus 6. So it is 42 by 5 km per hour, means 8.5 km per hour, and the speed of the cyclist is 12 km. Since the average speed of the cyclist is greater, so he will return to A first. Next problem, a man can row 7.5 km per hour in still water if in a river running at 1.5 km an hour. It takes him 50 minutes to row to a place and back. So how far off is the place? Okay, so speed downstream, first we will see the speed of downstream and upstream. So the speed downstream is equal to 7 and 1 by 2 means 7.5 and 1.5. So speed downstream is 7.5 plus 1.5 is 9, and speed upstream is 7.5 minus 1.5 means 6 km per hour. Okay, we have to find out the distance. So let the required distance is x. So to go at downstream as well as upstream, it requires 50 minutes. So we can write the equation as x by 9 plus x by 6 is equal to 50 by 60. So x by 9 means distance upon speed is your time. So x by 9 plus x by 6 is 50 by 60. We have converted this 50 minutes into hour. So it is 2x plus 3x is equal to 5 by 6 into 18, and we will get 5x is equal to 50, so x is equal to 3. Okay, so the required distance is 3 km. The next problem is sixth problem. In a stream running at x kilometer in a stream running at 2 km per hour, a motor boat goes 6 km upstream and back again to the starting point in 33 minutes. So find the speed of the motor boat in still water. So we have to find out the speed of motor boat. So let the speed of the motor boat is x kilometer, and we have given in the rate of the stream is 2 km. So speed downstream is equal to x plus 2 and speed upstream is equal to x minus 2. So we will write this equation as 6 is our distance, 6 upon x plus 2. So this is the rate, and we will means it is distance upon speed is equal to time. So 6 upon x plus 2 plus 6 upon x minus 2 is equal to 33 by 60. So after solving this equation, we will get x is equal to 22. Okay, so the speed of the motor boat in still water is 22 km per hour. Seventh problem is, a man can row 40 kilometer upstream, 55 kilometer downstream in 13 hours, and also he can row 30 kilometer upstream, 44 kilometer downstream in 10 hours. So find the speed of the man in still water and speed of the current. So we have to find out the rate speed of the man in still water as well as speed of current. So let the rate upstream is x kilometer per hour and rate downstream is y kilometer per hour. So we will write the equation as the distance is given here. So distance upon speed. So it is 40 upon x plus 55 upon 5 is 13 hours. Okay, and 30 upon x plus 44 upon y is equal to 10. So if we solve this equation, how we will solve? By eliminating first x, then we will get y is equal to 11. If you want to eliminate this, here we have to multiply this equation by 3. So it gives 120, here 4, again it gives 120, and this x is cancelled. So we will get y is equal to 11. So if we put this y in first equation, y is equal to 11. Okay, if we put 11 here, so it is 40 upon x plus 5 is equal to 30. So 40 upon x is equal to 13 minus 5 is 8. 8x is equal to 40 means x is equal to 5. So a rate in still water is 1 upon 2. So we will get x is 5 means upstream is 5 and downstream is 11. So rate in still water is 1 upon 2, 11 plus 5 is 8 kilometer per hour, and rate of current is 1 upon 2 a minus b, that is 1 upon 2 11 minus 5, 1 upon 2 into 6 is 3 kilometer per hour. Okay, thank you so much.